So welcome to today's tutorial of Get the Line. So basically this is my eyeliner, how to do eyeliner. First of all, I've got a Kohl pencil. It doesn't matter which Kohl pencil you use exactly. I'm going to just mark out my lines, my guidelines, where I want my eyeliner to be to lift the eye. She has got great eye shape and eyes. So I'm just going to go to the outer corner and I'm going to look where the eyebrow finishes, and I'm going to go just aim up towards where the outer eyebrow finishes. You can only do this, I think, with having the eyes open, because if you close the eyes, it's going to give you a different shape. It's not going to lift. It's going to probably be quite a lot lower and probably read more ticky, as I call it, when the eyeliner looks a bit curly on the ends rather than really straight. This way is kind of a sure, fast way to put your eyeline guide in and then run a bit along the lash line and then connect the two. And you can have that connection as thick or as thin as you want. But if you use this technique, this will be a good technique to guide you. Once I've done all the kohl, I like to go in with my angle brush, which I just showed you, and my liquid liner, which is actually a gel liner in a pot. I like Bobbi Brown's, I like Inglot. This is actually Inglot that I'm using. It's a black eyeliner, a dense black eyeliner. Here I'm using my cotton bud, which is it's a cotton tip from Muji. They're very, very thin. It's really, really thin. And I just put a bit of the Bioderma Micelle water on it, on the cotton tip, and then manipulate the end so that it's a sharp finish. I'm just using my brush again to draw along close to the lash lines, going over the kohl liner that I did. But as I say, for this look, I'm just showing you the way I do it on models. So there we go. So I've connected all the eyeliner together, and there you go. That's my finished eyeliner look.